Hey friends, if you wish to fix kernel-based or DLL error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. So open any browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Go to the first link, the learn.microsoft.com one. Scroll down to the x64 version, click on this, click on open here. Wait for a few seconds till the launcher is launched. Now it will give you an option to either install it or repair it. If it gives you an option to install it, then you can consider installing it. It needs a few seconds. You can wait meanwhile and continue with your work. And this will reinstall the DLL files and fix your problem in 99% cases. But if it fails, then you can consider an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This scan needs a while, so you can minimize it and continue with your work. And lastly, if everything else fails, consider restoring your system to an earlier date. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar, go to recovery, click on open system restore, next, choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.